Ladies, I wanna see you back it up, back it up.
Yeah.
Hi y'all, as you can see, I took out my hair. My face is very fresh face right now. I'm about to do all of my skincare products and things of that nature, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes tonight. Today is Thursday, August 13th. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that because tomorrow I have a lot to get done. I'm just gonna do my tops tonight. I'm gonna do my bottoms in the morning so that way they both have an equal amount of time to dry. But yes, I'm going to do all of my skincare fully, thoroughly, and I'm going to get to do my lashes and all of that. And I'm so excited. I always love doing a fresh lash set. I've been seeing so many cute sets that I've gotten inspo from, so I literally just can't wait to ice my lashes. I'm not gonna lie. But yes, y'all, I just want to give y'all an update. Like I said, hair is out. This is literally just a fresh braid down hair. Yes, but yeah, y'all. Now that my skincare is done, I am good to go with the lashes. I'm going to have these under eye masks sit under my eye. Like I said, I'm going to do my top lashes. I'm going to do my bottom lashes in the morning, but literally just so I can have that hydration as I do my lashes. I'm about to collect all of my different lash packages because I use multiple types. Do those, and I will get back with y'all. Also, the skin, like literally, skin is skinning, like, period. Like, oh, glowy, period. That was a generational lock-in. And honestly, if you do not break down once while doing your lashes, are they really ice? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Now, they look a little, I don't know. When I wake up, they're going to be like, but I also got to do my bottoms. But yeah, I'm not going to lie, y'all. It's like almost 12 in the morning. And I've stayed up later, but it's almost 12 in the morning. I'm tired. I'm irritated. I'm just, yeah, I'm not really feeling it right now, clearly. I will get to y'all in the morning. Alright, y'all, I just got to my mama's job. I got some breakfast. Well, we got breakfast, but I got this coffee right here from Wawa's, and then I also got a breakfast sandwich from Wawa's too. But I told y'all last night that my wax appointment was scheduled for tomorrow, but I may try to get it scheduled for today's, but my hair appointment is still going to stay the same. That's still going to be tomorrow and all of that. But I am going to try to get my wax appointment done today. As y'all can see, nothing on the eyebrows. Like, literally, I'm really trying to get that done. Did my bottoms this morning. Yes, they did give me trouble, but I'm just going with the vibes. But I want to give y'all an update on everything that's going on. I am currently leaving the building and walking to my car because my appointment, I was able to get it rescheduled to 10:30, so it is 9:50 something right now. Whew. Yeah, I have like a 20 something minute drive, but I wanted to get my time to walk, get myself together. I'm gonna need to get gas, so it's hot. Ooh. Okay, my car is literally right here. I'm on campus, a campus. Shout out to the Trojans, y'all all right. But I'm gonna set my stuff down. I'll get back to y'all. Whew. Okay, get this car started, get my music bumping. Whew, I'm getting that wax. Okay, I'm getting in my bag. I'm about to go in. Now, I've never filmed at my wax appointment, like during it, but I'm gonna try to this time, especially since it's my first time doing an underarm wax. I normally only do the Brazilian and I do eyebrows.
Let me tell you about my ghetto lover. A mother of two and she got 5 bucks. Like no other, you smell her tongue. Smell like cinnamon and cocoa butter. She got a man, that shit a buck. Her best friend dumb and dumb. Always get drunk and drunk. They say they outside on something. I call her walking out the club. I tried to say what's up. She see my face before she think I'm trying to set her up. She said she had a man and told my ass to get the fuck. But I be damned if I get turned down. Maybe I'm not letting up.
This song, I think about the about to go into Target. When I tell y'all, I had a great experience. I really liked the girl who did my wax. This is like literally why I this is literally why I love European Wax Center so much. It's because like no matter if like I have new girls or whatever the case may be, because as I told y'all, I rescheduled my appointment for today instead of tomorrow. Tomorrow it was going to be with the girl who I normally have, but today I really just wanted that earlier appointment, and it really didn't matter to me who it was because I always just have a really good experience with all of the girls who are there and who do the waxes. And it was like the conversation was so good, and it was things that I needed to hear. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna get back to it. Hold on. It was things that I really needed to hear, like different things in all transparency that I've been just trying to work on and better myself with, and just to grow and learn my boundaries more and actually stand on my boundary, just all of that. And I really feel like the conversation was like something like I believe in my God. That was definitely something for me that was sent by God. Just really good conversation, things that I needed to hear, things where I was just like second guessing on certain things, or like, should I do this, or should I give this benefit of doubt, or whatever the case may be, of different things that I've just been struggling with and thinking about and trying to process. This right here definitely solidified that for me and gave me some perspective and made me kind of realize like you're trying to grow, you're not trying to go back into the same different ways of different things. Just really good. I had a really good experience. The underarm wax, I got my eyebrows waxed. I'm sorry I turned the camera off. We just had to like really talk, but I got all my wax, really good. Like I said, Target, pick up some bins, and let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna need a cart, but I'm gonna get a cart. I'm going to a Target. This isn't like, I mean, it's local, but it's not my closest Target. So I'm just gonna go around because I'm not exactly sure what aisle it was, and I probably should have researched that, but it's okay. But I'm sorry I keep talking about this wax, y'all. But even just besides the experience that I had with my actual waxer, a man, he had talked to me because he saw me with like the camera and stuff like that. So he asked me, you know, about do I do content creation and all that. So I was telling him like, yeah, I do lifestyle, college videos, advice, and different things like that. And we had a really good conversation surrounding that. And then when I left, like when I was paying, I got complimented on my lashes and stuff. And she was talking about how she was listening to me speak to the man who I was speaking to and how I was really well spoken and stuff like that. Yeah, I told her I was from A&T and she said I was really well spoken. And I told her how I got that from high school, and she was like, yeah, I'm really well spoken, and she told me I was pretty. I was like, oh, thank you. I want to see in their makeup area if they have this primer that I use. I think it's up near the front, so I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to get into the nitty-gritty of the makeup. I actually don't think that'll be here. Hold on. Okay, let's see. This is Morphe. Hold on. They have my favorite pink lip gloss. I used it in my lip combo yesterday. That sky pink, the best. I don't think that I see the grippy, but I don't. It's the grippy. I don't think that they have The other one, oh, this is Wet n Wild. They do have it. Okay, hold on. Alright. I need some of this, so I'm gonna get this. I can check out, I wish that they had ColourPop in here, but they don't, so that's fine. But yeah, I can check out now. I'm looking at NYX, but I do have the NYX products that I need, so time to check out. Yeah. Okay, hey y'all, I just got to my hair appointment. I'm almost running late, but I'm not. Like I said, here's my hair, boom hair. As you can see, I'm in a rush. I'm gonna get set up and I will continue once I'm inside.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run. Used to drive the Nissan and she had a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was the loner. Her old man the owner. And I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne forever. On dirt Sprite forever. You come sit with me. If you like to change the weather. If you want a little better, we can buy a grill wherever. Don't get too thirsty. Get used to the cheddar. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her before I do, tell her.
Okay vlog, I am in Walmart, but I just wanted to close out my maintenance vlog. It's all done. Today is Sunday. I do move in tomorrow, but this is also going to be in real time because this video is going out today. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog. I definitely had fun making it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on, and I will be seeing y'all very, very soon.